Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency trading, specifically focusing on the MEXC exchange and how you can maximize your experience with their referral program. If you're looking to trade efficiently, earn rewards, and make the most out of your investment journey, you'll definitely want to stay tuned. Let's begin with the MEXC Referral program. MEXC is not just a platform for trading your favorite cryptocurrencies. It offers users a chance to amplify their trading achievements through its referral system. By using the referral code 12K4M5 during your registration, you can unlock exclusive benefits that enhance your trading experience from the get-go. But what exactly are the advantages of using this referral code? Firstly, it can grant you access to lower trading fees, making every transaction more profitable. If you're a frequent trader, these savings can accumulate significantly over time. Additionally, you may also receive bonuses or rewards just for signing up with the referral code, giving you a head start in your trading journey. Using the MEXC referral code also means you'll be welcomed into a community of traders who are benefiting from shared knowledge and insights. This can be an invaluable resource as you navigate the sometimes complex world of cryptocurrency. Engaging with the community opens doors for networking, learning new strategies, and even enhancing your investment portfolio. Don't forget, the world of crypto is ever evolving, and by using the referral code 12K4M5, you'll always be in the loop about the latest updates, promotions, and opportunities that MEXC has to offer. So, if you're ready to embark on a profitable trading journey with MEXC, make sure to use the referral code 12K4M5 to get the best out of your experience. We encourage you to get started today, explore the benefits, and unlock the potential of your cryptocurrency trading. Thanks for watching this episode on Crypto Horizon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading!